Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to find largest of three numbers. For this we have to use only the if statement. We'll see the demo. I am declaring three variables and initialize them as 0. A equal to B equal to C equal to 0. So 0 will get assigned to C, B and A. Now I ask the user to enter three numbers. So I am getting a first number A equal to float of input of enter the first number. So the enter the first number will get displayed in the console when user enter the number in the input statement, receives it as a string that is converted into float and store it in the variable a. Likewise, I am getting a value for b and c. B equal to float of input of enter the second number. C equal to float of input of enter the third number. So I obtain three numbers from the user stored it in the variable a, b and c. Now I am declaring a variable max to store the maximum value. I assign a. The value of a will get assigned to the variable max. Now I am checking if b greater than max, then I am assigning max equal to b. I am using another statement. If c greater than max, then max equal to c. So I'm assigning a to the variable max. The value of a will get stored. I'm comparing the value of b is greater than max. If it is greater than max, I'm assigning max equal to b. So indentation is given for the scope of the simple if statement. Next, I'm writing another if statement. If c greater than max, I'm assigning max equal to c. Now I'm going to print the result. Print the largest number is out of string. The largest number is a string followed by the variable max. The value of the variable max will get printed. Now you will execute the program and check the result. Enter first number. I am entering 100.5. Second number 200.0. Third number 150.50. So I am getting result. The largest number is 200. I am assigning 100.5 to A, 200 to B, 150.50 to C. Here I am comparing. Okay, 100.5 is the maximum value. Then 200 is greater than 100.5. Maximum is 200. Assign here. Then 150.50 is greater than max. Means 200 is checked. The condition is false. So the assignment will not happen. Finally, the print statement print the largest number is 200. So the program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.